What's up guys? We got a huge day today. Today is gonna be the day that I'm selling my BMW M3 competition. This is coming just 3 months after I bought the car. So without further ado, I'm gonna get you straight into the sales process, show you how I go about selling one of my cars. And then at the end of the video, I'm gonna let you in on my next supercar, which is coming sooner than later. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video and get to the car. All right guys, here's the car right here. Obviously you guys have seen it time and time again. It's almost time to say goodbye to this thing. We gotta go get it cleaned up real quick because I'm obviously trying to leave it in good condition. I gotta go print out a bill of sale, but we're about to go do that right now. I'm gonna take you in the car with us. And unlike most car sales, we're actually about to go pick up the guy because he flew in just to grab the car. So we're gonna go pick him up real quick in my building and then we'll go run the errands real quick. Let's get in the car. All right guys, cleaning the car real quick. We got the buyer right here actually. Keep him off the camera for now, but we're gonna clean up the car, get it all ready to go. Obviously we want it to look as perfect as possible. So I'm gonna do a little rinse on it and then we're gonna go print the bill of sale and we'll get it all done. We got it all washed, guys. Man, I'm enjoying my last little ride with the bucket seats, everything. I'm gonna miss this thing, you know? It's a nice car. It's a beautiful BMW. It's the best spec I could have possibly picked for this, which is why I'm so grateful I owned it. But as always, it's time for something new. And like I said, guys, at the end of the video, I'm gonna chat about the next supercar to come because I have a couple ideas and I'm kind of toying with a challenge to hit a certain subscriber mark and I'll go buy one of them in cash the day after I hit that mark. So we're gonna go print the bill of sale, get the rest of this done with, and then I'll chat a little bit about that. So let's get into it. This is what you do when you don't have a printer at home. You go to Staples and deal with it there. It's the noble way to do it. You have to send your thing to the Staples printer. Man, you know I'm locked in. Got both bills of sale, one for me, one for the buyer. Now we gotta go get the work done. We gotta go to the bank. We gotta go get the checks. We gotta sign these, fill them out, everything. And then, yeah, hand over the title, hand over the keys and everything. There we go, boys. Car sold. No more M3 comp. But we're gonna go inside now and I'm about to tell you, maybe let you in on a super secret little glimpse at what I'm gonna be getting next because I have some crazy ideas. And if I hit a certain number of subscribers in the next month or two, I will literally go buy one of these cars that I'm about to tell you guys in cash and show you guys the next day. So we're gonna hop inside, a little less windy. I'll be able to talk to you guys, just let you know a little bit more about what I'm looking to buy. And yeah, we're about to see. So guys, the M3 sold today. I bought it back in January, first day of January for $87,000, sold it for $86,500. So talk about a good entry and exit on a car. It's probably one of my only good entries and exits I've ever had. But now we're at a crossroads because I still have the GT4 RS and I'm looking to get into something new. And what I'm thinking here is I either want a Ferrari 488 or an Aventador Roadster. And these are the two big options right now. So I'm gonna kind of leave it up to you guys by placing a goal on here. If I can hit 10,000 subscribers before May 30th, I will go cash out on the Aventador Roadster, even if I've already bought the Ferrari 488. If I can hit only 10,000 subscribers on here, I will go buy the Aventador Roadster the next day. I don't even care. You guys can hold it to me till the end of time, but I wanna use that as the goal. So if you guys haven't already, please subscribe below. I am looking to hit that 10,000 subscriber mark in the next month and a half. And I think it's super possible if a couple of my videos blow up. So without further ado, guys, I know I always mention it in the end of my videos, but if you want to learn how I make money and how you can do, I have a super simple business model called content automation marketing. And I have a free guide down below. You can watch the video training. It's about 10 minutes long, super simple. You don't want to miss out on this. It's 10 minutes out of your day, nothing more than that. And if you want to learn a little bit about how I'm able to afford all these amazing supercars, that is the gateway to that success that I've been able to experience. So check it out down below. I also offer coaching through that. It's an application only process and you can just follow the link and it will lead you to that as well. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Please subscribe. Let's hit that 10,000 subscriber mark so I can buy that Aventador because trust me, I want to buy it more than anyone else and I would love that Roadster. I would love that convertible car on the road. So subscribe down below, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.